Hello my dear students, today we are going to read a new story from your English literature reader. The name of the story is The Model Millionaire by Oscar Wilde. So let us know about the author Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde was a gifted and versatile Irish dramatist, poet, essayist, novelist and short story writer of the Victorian era. He was educated at Trinity College, Dublin and Magdalen College, Oxford. While at Oxford, he came under the influence of Walter Pater and soon gained a reputation as one of the founders of the aesthetic cult which gave the doctrine of art for art's sake. He was a brilliant conversationalist and one of the wittiest men of his time. His well-known works are The Happy Prince and Other Tales, A Woman of No Importance, The Importance of Being Earnest, Ballad of Reading Gaol, and An Idle Husband. His novel The Picture of Dorian Gray has been filmed. So let us know about the story. The writer conveys bitter realities of human life through this story. First, unless one is wealthy, there is no use of being handsome. Romance is meant for the rich, not for the poor. The poor should be practical in their way of life. Secondly, it would be an ideal situation if one is both rich and humble, as majority of the rich are proud and inhuman. These two great truths of the modern life apply on the main characters in this story. Hughie Erskine, a handsome young boy with crisp brown hair and grey eyes, but with no profession. He is in love with Laura Martin. Baron Housework is a rich, eccentric man. He delights in getting himself painted as a beggar. As a beggar, he becomes an amazing model. He is a wizened old man with a face like wrinkled parchment and a most piteous expression. Other characters in the story: Alan Trevor, a real talented artist and a great friend of Hughie. He is a strange and rough man with a spotty face and long red beard whose wonderful work is very popular. Laura Martin is the girl loved by Hughie and the daughter of a retired colonel. Colonel is a retired person and the father of Laura Martin. He is one who asked a sum of £10,000 in order to win Laura Martin. The protagonist of the story is a young man called Hughie Erskine. Hughie is handsome, charming and popular, but he has been very unlucky as far as financial matters are concerned. He was left nothing of an great value in his father's will. He has tried his hand at several different businesses, all of which have failed. Having no job, Hughie's only source of income is £200 a year, which is given to him by an elderly aunt. Hughie has fallen in love with a young woman named Laura Martin, and she loves him in return. Laura's father, Colonel Martin, is fond of Hughie, but due to his poor financial prospects, he does not want the young man to marry his daughter. He has often told Hughie that he will only allow him to get engaged to Laura after he has earned £10,000. Hughie goes to see his artist friend Alan Trevor. He finds that Alan is painting a portrait of an old man who appears to be a beggar. The old man is wearing a tattered brown cloak and boots which have been mended many times. He has a rough walking stick in one hand. In the other hand, he is holding out an old hat as if to ask for money. His face is heavily wrinkled and he looks extremely sad. Both Alan and Hughie agreed that the old man is an excellent subject for a painting. Hughie, however, cannot help feeling sorry for the man. He thinks it is unfair that although Alan's painting regularly sell for 2,000 guineas, he only pays his model 1 shilling an hour to pose for him, and does not give them a percentage of the money which he makes from sales of their portraits. When Alan leaves the room, Hughie looks in his pockets. He finds that the highest denomination coin which he has is a sovereign, although it means that he will have to economize more than usual for the rest of the month. Hughie gives the coin to the old man, who appears very happy to receive it. Hughie leaves soon afterwards. Alan and Hughie meet up again later. The artist tells his friend that after he left, the old man asked several questions about him. Alan goes on to say that he told the old man all about Hughie, Laura Merton, and the condition which Colonel Merton said that prevents their marriage. Hughie is unhappy that his friend told that old beggar all about his private life. The amused Alan tells Hughie that the old man he was painting was Baron Hausberg, one of the wealthiest men in Europe and someone who often buys Alan's paintings. For reasons which Alan does not really understand, the millionaire baron had asked to be painted as a beggar. The tattered clothes he was wearing were supplied by Alan. Hughie feels ashamed about having given a coin to a millionaire, although Alan tells him not to be worried. The following day, a representative of Baron Hausberg comes to Hughie's house with an envelope. The writing on the envelope says that it contains a wedding present from an old baker. Inside the envelope, Hughie finds a check for £10,000. Hughie and Laura get married. Baron Hausberg attends their wedding. This story has a fairy tale ending. The rich man's kindness brings the two lovers Hughie Erskine and Laura Merton together, the union that would have been impossible without Baron Hausberg's help. He decides to reward Hughie for his generosity. He sends a sealed envelope containing a cheque worth £10,000 to Hughie. It is the exact amount he needs to fulfill the condition laid down by Laura's father. He writes on the envelope a wedding present to Hughie and Laura from an old baker. He attends the wedding and also delivers a speech on his wedding. The wedding present is earned by Hughie because of his generosity. Thank you, my dear students.